far from the noise of cities and the rhythm of everyday life, where the Pacific Ocean stretches endlessly along Chile's northern coast, an unusual experiment is quietly unfolding beneath the waves. On the ocean floor, specially designed metal cages rest in silence. Inside them, not treasure, not technology, but wine. Bottles carefully placed, not in cellars carved from stone, but in the deep blue heart of the sea. Around the small and remote Locos Island, the Pacific becomes more than water, it becomes a guardian. Divers descend slowly, their movements deliberate, almost ceremonial. One by one, the bottles are lowered into place, disappearing into the dim light below. At depths between 10 and 20 meters, the world changes. Sunlight fades, sound softens, temperature stabilizes, time itself seems to slow. Here, beneath the surface, nature creates the perfect aging chamber. The ocean offers conditions that no man-made cellar can truly replicate. Constant cool temperatures, gentle pressure, and complete darkness. Together, these elements form a natural cocoon, allowing the wine to mature gradually, undisturbed by vibration or sudden change. This is not storage, this is transformation. Months pass, 8 months, a year. The bottles remain untouched, cradled by the sea. Over time, calcium-rich sediments begin to settle on the glass, forming delicate, coral-like textures. These mineral deposits are not flaws, but signatures, marks of the Pacific itself. A quiet reminder that this wine has lived a different life, shaped not by land, but by water. Winemakers and researchers observe the results with growing fascination. They find that certain wines respond especially well to this underwater aging. Cool climate and white varieties, Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Noir, develop smoother textures, refined aromas, and a unique balance. The ocean, it seems, brings out subtleties that traditional cellars sometimes cannot. The idea of aging wine underwater is not entirely new. Experiments have taken place in different parts of the world, but here in Chile, this project carries a deeper meaning. This is a country already celebrated for its vineyards, its valleys, and centuries of winemaking tradition. It is also a nation defined by the sea, over 4,000 kilometers of Pacific coastline shaping its culture, economy, and identity. By merging wine and ocean, Chile is not abandoning tradition, it is expanding it. This initiative represents a bold dialogue between nature and craftsmanship, between ancient elements and modern curiosity. It asks a simple but powerful question: what happens when we allow the sea to become part of the story? For the entrepreneurs behind the project, the vision goes beyond wine alone. They imagine a future where this underwater aging process becomes a destination in itself, a story that draws travelers not just to taste, but to experience. Visitors arriving at nearby Pichidangui Beach may one day look out at the ocean, unaware that beneath the waves, wine is quietly evolving, patiently, invisibly. There is something poetic about this process. No machines humming, no artificial lights, just the steady rhythm of the sea. Each bottle aging in darkness, rocked gently by currents, surrounded by silence. In a world driven by speed, this method demands patience. It reminds us that some transformations cannot be rushed. And so, deep below the surface, the wine continues its journey, maturing, changing, absorbing the essence of the ocean that surrounds it. In that quiet depth, a new chapter of Chile's wine industry is being written, one shaped not by barrels or basements, but by the vast living sea itself.